Hello everyone, welcome to MMD Oral. Today's topic load line survey. I will discuss everything about load line survey. I have already posted tanker terminology and function 2 oral question on inert gas system. You can watch, link is given in the description. Here I will discuss total 5 questions. When did International Convention on Load Lines come into force? What is the principle of load line convention? How to prepare a vessel for load line survey? Who issues load line certificate and load line surveys? When did International Convention on Load Lines come into force? It came into force 21st July 1968. Load line convention applies to ships of more than 24 meters in length. What is the principle of load line convention? It is based on the principle of reserve buoyancy. Reserve buoyancy is the volume of the enclosed spaces above the waterline. How to prepare a vessel for load line surveys? First, load line and deck line to be clearly marked and painted. Second, all hatch combing shall be checked. Check drains, channels and all rubber packing. Third, check manholes, scuppers and other similar parts enabling water flow for water tightness. Fourth, check shall be carried out for watertight doors, all portholes, skylight, forepeak valve, wheel suction, air pipes, etc. Fifth, the non-return valves must be checked for working efficiency with respect to overboard discharge. Sixth, all machinery space opening on deck must be thoroughly inspected. Seventh, keep load line report form 2 up to date. Who issues load line certificate? Load line certificate certifies that vessel complies with load line convention. Such certificate shall be issued by the administration. An international load line certificate is issued for a period of less than 5 years. Load line surveys. A vessel will be subject to following surveys. Initial survey, before vessel is put into service. After that, renewal survey at interval not exceeding 5 years. Annual survey within ± 3 months of anniversary date of load line certificate. Thanks for watching guys. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss out any updates.